leftover roast chicken pie. We used to do these at the restaurant in Manchester and they used to fly at the door. Could never make enough. And what's great about it is that you blind bake the pastry case so you can put whatever filling you want. Whenever I roast a chicken, afterwards I pour the juices and the fat that collects in the bottom of the pan into a glass. Doesn't look very beautiful, but it tastes amazing. The fat settles on the top and you skim that off, and that's what I'm going to cook my onions in. Roast chicken dinner in a pie, like it couldn't be more comforting. Crispy, flaky pastry, and then you really need that slight acidity that comes from the alcohol, the beer, and it cuts through all the blanket morishness that you've got there. But most importantly, it's like you've got the roast chicken taste with that beautiful gravy that you've essentially created to house everything in. It's like a time travelling machine. It just takes me straight back to my mum's table on a Sunday.